Now what would you show up to Saturday to do? You don't have
coach. Chemical plant's on fire.
Chemical plant yafashwe n'umuriro. Twabonye turika mugenzi. Nyuka bibikwira kwira kagigi kose.
No, you can't go out in
there. Namugomba gusohoka.
People know.
Hatagira umuntu sokara bivumbe barasohoka. Iminara ibura marezo. Sasa lairi.
What happened to you?
Mwana byagenze bite? Aro twagarukiye. Nibwatinze bazanye karanga hakuno.
Beating like a drum.
Mutima uri matera nk'ingoma.
But he doesn't have a fever.
Ako nta muriro afite.
Or a cough or anything like
agakorora nta kibazo.
Normal sick person.
Badamu ari umuntu urwaye bisanzwe.
That is not a normal sick person.
Onaga arwaye bisanzwe mwana.
Kid needs a hospital.
Mwana akeneye kujyanwa kwa muganga.
You don't know if the hospital's still there.
Yewe nta nubizi ko asanga ari n'ivuriro rigikora.
Lyle, can you hear me?
Yewe uranyumva Kyle.
Tell us what you saw.
Watubwira ibyo abonye.
Lyle, stay with me.
Lyle umbwira gwana nanjye.
Dear. Did he say anything to you?
Yareshe yaba yakubwiye mbere yuko se aza. Nagacinjira. Wibuka gambwiye ngo bose bapfuye all are dead. Tangira kwibuka bose bapfuye arahakana. Ewe nakiri yambwiye ari kunahakanye.
Said something, didn't he?
Yeah, aricyo yaba yakubwiye.
What did he say?
Ase watubwiye niba aricyo yavuze.
Yeah, he spoke. I just couldn't
yavuze gusa.
understand him.
Ntago nasobanukiye ibyo yavugaga. Kobwa arabona byanga byakunda aricyo abayisha uburyo ahakanye. Kobwa aramukurikira. Ni Grover.
You're lying.
Uri murambeshye.
No, I'm not lying.
Ntago mbeshye ariko.
Stop.
Dekera.
Whatever he said, I can handle it.
Ibyo yavuze byose abantu twabasha kuburyo twabikontrola n'uburyo twabyitwaramo.
Look.
Reba hano.
I don't want anybody in this place to panic.
Ntago nshaka abantu bari hano bose bicwa n'ubwoba.
I'm not the panicking type.
Yewe rero nge ntago ndi umuntu wapareka cyangwa ntigira ubwoba. Mbwira yakubwiye iki?
He said everybody was dead.
Yambwiye ngo buri muntu wese wagiye yanze yapfuye. Sasa uyamubwiza ukuri.
He's trying to tell you something?
Yewe niba yagerageza kugira icyo akubwira.
Yeah.
Yego.
Tell me what it was like outside.
Natambwira ko byari bimeze hanze. Azunguza umutwe nambaraga.
Did you see?
Ata wabonye cyataga kubwa umurwayi nabi. Nerail. Zunguza igitanda. Yewe.
Come on, dude. He didn't say much before. I don't
think kintu yavuze gihambaye.
He's going to start speaking now.
Kandi kuri mazunguza igitanda ntabwo biri tume avuga nona.
The kid's right. Leave him alone.
Were ku mwana ameze nabi mureke wenyine.
He's our only link to what's going on outside.
Yewe newe wenyine baduha makuru y'ibiri kujya mbere gutume ibyo hanze yabimeze.
Guys.
Bavandi.
He's on our own.
Hano ndi bazanye. Adi nawe yafashwe.
Damn.
Nganda.
More like her upstairs.
Abandi bameze nka nabo bari hejuru. Sasa hari n'abandi bafashwe nabo binjiye mu kigo. Nako binjiye mu ishuri. Bahise Freakish. Turi kuri episode ya kabiri. Nakugaragaza Kalama Premier umva. Sasa n'abandi bafashwe. Baragiye babakura hanze aho barari hejuru. Babazana hakuno mu kadotwari. Hey. Filimi raha. Byabere ngo nyamwanga kumva nanze gukora iki?
What have happened to them out there?
Kere ku muntu yaba yamenyaga icyababaye wari hanze.
Staying inside was the smart move.
Ugumana indani mu kigo byari byiza.
Question is, for how long is it smart?
Ibyo cyo kibaza gucyo turagumana indani igihe kingana iki?
Until somebody comes to find us.
Bakereka nagira umuntu uzakavanza akagiye dutangariza. Abava yose nurebe uko babaye. Urumva hari abazima bari hanze.
They smell like they've been eating trash.
Ibisa nkaho no turi bugera tukanarya n'umwanda.
Maybe they have been.
Nabo siko byatangiye.
Back here.
Ikibazo cyari iki?
Might be the only place left.
Wasangana rero ubwo buhungiro busigaye nabundi buhungiro bwari.
You really think that?
Ateka ariko bimeze se.
The explosion was huge.
Haturitse byaro guturika guhambaye.
Who are you and why are you trying to scare people?
Hasi wowe nduri kintu kuryo akanga abantu.
I'm someone who'd rather understand reality.
Genda cyeka ndo umuntu uri masobanukirwa ukuri uko bintu byifashe.
Than play pretend.
Hakunya nigire ngaho nta kintu ndi kubona. Ahantu niba haturitse twibirenzaho ngo wenda hanze araza kuva umuntu tumenye ko turi mu kibazo ahubwo dushaka umuti ni uwuhe. Yewe tuzi. Na name nkiterana amagambo.
You really think nobody else is left?
No, so cyeka umuntu waba yakize.
No, look.
Yewe murebe hano.
There's no way anybody could know that.
Yewe nta wabimenya ko nanu wajya hanze nonaho. Banyeshuri ngabangaye bagarutse bose baryamisha hano.
Anything?
Yewe ari cyo abo abonye.
These old radios tend to have battery issues.
Iradiyo nayo irashaje ntabwo avuga ko ifite battery ikora neza.
You seem like the kind of guy who could fix something like that.
Ese ufite confidence yuko watunganya iyo radio?
You know who I am.
Ese wabuze ubundi bene ko nayitunganya.
Everyone in the school knows who you are.
abantu bose hano mu kigo
Guy
bazunguri
who ripped someone off.
I try to judge people for myself.
njye ntabwo njya ncira abantu imanza ariko
So what's your verdict?
none uratangaza iki uhagaze
Excuse me?
nyanganira
On me.
ku ruhande rwanjye
What's your verdict on me?
njye urawancirwe rubanza uri kure ruhande hano nshoboye gukora radio simbishoboye karicara
Haven't decided yet.
yewe ntabwo ndafata umwanzuro
I know who you are too. You're quite good.
nakubona nkina ariko uri umuhanga cyane mu byo ukora
Thank you.
urakoze
Your vibrato needs some work, but your technique is impressive.
ati abandi baba bakeneye ababafasha ariko wowe tekinike ze ziratangaje.
How long do you think before they send someone searching for us?
ese bakeka ratadusigaje igihe kingana iki mbere yuko abantu baza kudushaka hano hari abagifite icyizere ko hanze hari abakize bazaza kubashaka.
They're likely devoting most of their resources to the fire. It would be complicated to put out because
nta wamenya uko bimeze bitewe na ruriya ruganda rwagiye gushingwa hano kuba n'iminara yabuze unuza sinyare nta wahamya ko hari abantu barokotse bashaka kuza kudutabara.
Just work at the plant?
hata ababyeyi banjye bose bakoraga kuri ya chemical plant
on a Saturday.
no kuwa gatandatu se barakora
Probably not.
ntabwo bakora kuwa gatandatu
He's never productive.
rero nta mpamvu guhangayika nacyo bijya bimara burya.
Worried?
wese bivuze ngo ntabwo uhangayitse
Really?
seriye ntabwo uhangayitse
You don't have anyone out there to care about?
hariya hanze nta muntu mwene wanyu basi ugirira impuhwe cyangwa witaho ku buryo wahangayikishwa nuko yaba yagize ikibazo.
To answer your previous question,
ati wa mukobwa none ngusubiyemo ikibazo urimo urambaza
take them a few days at the least before anyone looks for us.
ati se mbere yuko ibyo biba byose hari umuntu uza kugusura ku ishuri
Probably more.
bitekerezeho guhangayika nta kibazo bikemura reba ukuntu hanze yahindutse sasa hano wa munyeshuri urana icyuma mu kigo nabaza hakuno ndani abandi aho bari byabacanze uyu ni icyuma hakuno tayari yewe umeze neza.
Why aren't you helping in the shelter?
hasi kutari hamwe abandi bari uri mu biki.
Well, thought somebody should act as guard.
natekereje ko abari ugomba gukora nk'umusekirite.
Right.
Umusekirite?
Right, so you're guarding everybody.
none urimo aracungira buri umwe umutekano.
Yeah, somebody should be up here just in case more come.
naketse ko umwe yaguma hano wenda mu gihe abandi baturuka hanze bateza ibibazo.
Just being helpful.
so muze gufasha abandi.
Yeah.
niko bimeze bro.
You don't believe me?
ntawe unyizera se.
Say that.
ntabwo byari byo mvuze ariko.
Why aren't you helping in the shelter? Your little friends down there.
none se ko tutagiye kugumana n'abandi aho bari bashuti bawe.
Addie would understand.
yewe nkora ibyo nsobanukiwe.
You bailing on it?
tangiye kusanga bacishamo ijisho se.
Don't know what's wrong with them.
yewe nta nuzi ikibazo bafite bari hariya barwaye.
Could be contagious.
wasanga n'umwuka wawe uri guhumeka nawe wakwanduza abandi.
Yeah, I don't like it down there either.
nawe ntabwo nakwishimira ko wajyayo ati sasa bariya uyu yabahunze buriya iyo umuntu aramutse arwaye nk'indwara runaka ijyanye n'uguhumekero ushobora kuba yakwandutse.
It's like a tomb.
hariya nyina abonye ameze nk'irimbi.
She get some rest.
yewe sa nashaka uri ko waruhuka ntabwo naruhukira ahantu uri. iki cyo nta muntu utakizira mu kigo ibintu byo kwibyimbya kwegira uwa danje kureba hanze iri ne persone pa aba nabo hakuno.
Hey.
yewe
Find anything interesting?
hari ikintu wabonye gitangaje se.
Not anything that can help us.
nta na kimwe cyadufasha.
Hey, do you think it might have been like a terrorist strike?
hasi urakeka atari nk'ibyo byaba byateye kuri power plant nako kuri chemical plant.
I mean, Mary did say she saw some smoke rising from the plant right before the explosion.
atari watubwiye ko ashobora kuba yabonye nk'ibintu by'imyotsi mbere ko ahantu haturika.
It would take a powerful bomb to cause what happened out there.
ati wasanga n'imbaraga z'igisasu zazamutse kwa kundi igisasu kijya guturuka hakabanza imyotsi.
And they're not so easy to make.
nta wamenya icyabiteye.
You know about making bombs?
none se ibintu bijyanye no gukora ibisasu hari icyo waba ubiziho.
My dad was a chemist,
ati papa wanjye ari umushimiste
so he used to do experiments with me instead of playing with dolls and
yajyaga akora ama experiment cyangwa se ubushakashatsi turi kumwe
tea parties and that sort
kugira ngo meze nk'unyine niba upenyera umwana
of stuff.
ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo
You used to?
nahise ajya kubikora.
Was he at the plant today?
Nahise papa yari kuri plant uyu munsi.
He died a few years ago.
Papa wanjye yapfuye imyaka ingahe ishize. Hangane.
It's been a long time.
Ni igihe kirekire amamvuye kumwe ni yangane.
Betty would know exactly what's going on out there, though.
Asubye ko nta n'uwamenye ibyari kujya mbere hari imbere yuko biba.
He worked at Keller then.
His whole life.
Ati yakora kuri Keller plant unati cyane.
He loved it.
Yaranabikundaga.
My parents worked there.
Nanjye ababyeyi banjye bose bakora kuri iriya plant.
Smart parents.
Ababyeyi b'abahanga.
Yeah. They always wonder where I come from.
Hobwo nanjye wabonye ko ababyeyi banjye ari abahanga bibazaho nakomotse bikabacanga. Atera maka blage.
It'd be awful to know that somebody actually did all this on purpose.
Ati ndimo ndibaza umuntu wabarubatse hano hantu maze yarahubatse kubera impamvu. Bubatse ikigo cy'ishuri ndari munsi y'ikigo baragenda bakamo umuntu bw'ubutanda ahantu umuntu yakwisha.
All right, guys.
Saba bavandimwe rero. Coach.
We're going to decide what we do next.
Ejo nibwo tuzafata umwanzuro w'ikintu turi bukore gikurikira.
For now, I want you all to go up and find
Ndakamwa nashaka mwese mujye hejuru.
a place to get some shut eye.
Mushaka bamugera muryamye.
We can stay and help.
Twagumana ko tukanafatanya.
Hey, no, you should go upstairs and get some rest.
We sister jya hejuru reko aruhuka.
Whatever you want.
Ase kucyuma
You
matiriza.
want me to look after you?
Erega mama na papa barambwa kujya ngucungira umutekano.
Mom and Dad want me to look after you.
Ese mama na papa ntabwo bashaka ngucungira umutekano.
Okay, great, then look after me upstairs.
Sanga ugenda niba nancunga uncungire hejuru.
Well, you're all going to go upstairs
Mwese murazamuka hejuru bari mujye kuryama.
in peace.
Nanjye coach wanyu nigiri usigara hano ngiye nyine hatuje.
Get out.
Musoke. Cyacumba kirimo abanyeshuri barwaye kirasigaramo coach wenyine. Abandi bazamuka. Sawa sawa. Arangije akingaho. Abanyeshuri baraha. Hana masanga arashira bakoze iki? Banduye. We naza kwirambika. Harafite agafoto. Nimba ari abana be na madamu. Wakareba. Tayari. Ko yakirambitse. Kumbe dore. Hirya ye. Hari uwegutse. N'abanyeshuri. Hey. Turore. Aba nabo ko baryamye. Tayari. Ko bano zipfumbatana.
Not a fan of cuddling?
Yewe ntago nkunda ko narapfumbatana. Nahise nkunda kubireba.
No public cuddling.
Ariko njye byo gupfumbatana bari mu bantu. Njye nabifatanye.
Public.
Bahise cyaramo baganira.
So I'm guessing no boyfriend.
Yewe nta boyfriend so ufite.
Not anymore.
Yewe ntago nyimufite ukundi.
At the plant?
Yarari kuri plan se uyu munsi wa boyfriend wawe.
No.
Oya.
Yes, but that's not what I meant.
Cyo nashaka kuvuga ntago ari icyo.
We broke up
Twaratandukanye.
a couple days ago.
Haciye iminsi dutandukanye.
Sorry.
Pole.
I'm not.
Aramamvuye ko ngo pole.
You must have done something awful.
Banza yakora ikintu kitari cyiza.
Well, which time?
Ngiye kiye ryari.
You don't strike me as someone who puts up with a lot.
Ariko mukuru ungaragarira nk'umuntu agikunda gukomeza ibintu.
So,
None.
are you with somebody now?
Wowe hari umuntu mwamuri kumwe nka boyfriend wawe.
Not really.
Nanjye ntawe.
You're not sure?
Ntago nabyahakana.
I'm sure that I don't have a regular boyfriend.
Icyo razana ari shuwa yacu nuko nta boyfriend mfite ufatika.
You're better off.
Atabibaye byiza wanabireka. Kombe hano maniga nawe arimo arabumva. Sasa hakuno ko bano bagakubisa gatotsi. Maniga we yiberaho kamajeshi ntabyo gusinzira. Sister,
Wake up.
kangura mushiki we muri iryo joro. Hakuno hano umunyeshuri usanga bupingana mu kigo.
How long are you going to keep this up?
Ase uzabikomeza kugeza ryari?
It's been forever.
bisa nkaho byabaye by'iteka ryose.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ibyo uvuga njye sinzi n'ibyo ari byo.
The snark, the bitch face.
Ibyo byo kureba umuntu rwose umureba nkaho nta gaciro afite.
If I was giving you a bitch face, you'd know it.
Dore ndi kureba gutyo nk'intuza. Kureba nabi.
I'm sorry you can't understand what I did, but
Ntabwo mbabare ntabwo wasobanukirwa ibyo nakoze.
I didn't have a choice.
Sibyo ko nta mahitamo nari mfite.
I can't understand it, and you totally did have a choice.
Hanjye sinsobanukirwa impamvu ngo nta mahitamo wari ufite.
You didn't want anyone to think less of you, so you told everybody it was on
Nta
you.
nubwo ashaka ko hari umuntu atekereza muri class imbere yawe.
I'm not the only one who went off the rails that night.
Ati iryo joro ntabwo ari njye nasohotse mu kigo.
Yeah, but only one of us got in trouble.
Usibye ko ni njye nyine wagiye mu byago.
You know what my mom is like with me. She would never let me forget it.
Ati mama wanjye arabizi ukuntu harakazwa n'ubusa nawe urabizi ko atambabarira.
Oh, and because my mom's just a waitress, it doesn't matter what she thinks?
None se mama wanjye ko ari umuseriveri niba mvuga ko atabitekerezaho bano bafite inzika zabo bahora bashotorana.
This is pointless.
Ibintu uvuga bidaturumvikana. Aba nabo hakuno ko bakaje. Yagize gutya.
Hey, what is this?
Yewe byaba ari ibiki?
It's a hairnet.
Yasanga ari hairnet. Sasa nta kigo cyo barakaruka kantini. None uracheka mama na papa bakize se?
Yeah.
Cyane.
At least twice. Once for you, and once for me.
Bagomba gukira inshuro ebyiri bagakira ku bwawe no ku bwanjye. Ntago bahita bapfa.
I can't believe you're making jokes.
Sinjani zira kudahura muri blague buri kanya mutera blague. Turi mu bibazo.
Better than being upset.
None kurakara ibyo bice muri kibazo se. Bapakira hakuno duporezo ko muri kantini. Babayo. Niki? Bumva. Ntacyo tugende.
You know, our house is really close to the plant.
Rabizi ko inyubako yacu turanye n'iriya plant yaturitse.
They might not have been home today.
Erega wasanga batari bari nimuhira.
You know, Mom loves to go shopping on Saturdays.
Urazi ko mama akunda kujya guhaha ku wa gatandatu.
She always makes Dad go with.
Kandi agomba kujyana na papa ko byagenda kose. Basanga bari bagiye guhaha tugende. Umusaza wako mugenda ashaka gutuma gatekereza cyane. Kumbe mu kigindani. Hey, hari abandi maza zinjiyemo. Sasa hano haro arayitera ibishinge niba ari mugo.
So, do you really need another sweatshirt that looks exactly?
Abakene ndi undi mupira w'imbeho cyangwa.
Smell better.
Ndi kumva nawe atari uhumura neza. Hano bagize abandi banyeshuri bagiye babika imyenda bayisize mu kigo. Hindukira maze nambare.
Yes, I can see her from the back.
Sawa naje ndakurebera inyuma. Ndate bano bibire mu mapenzi yakuno. Abandi bari mu bibazo.
You know, your stupidity might be the only reason you're alive.
Atirato bukoje bwawe wasanga ariyo mpamvu kiri muzima.
Excuse me?
Ngo?
Yeah, I mean, if you hadn't been here trying to meet your crazy crush, then you probably
Atiyo utagarutse mu kigo cyo buriya mukobwa aratakunze ufite yo crush. Wakabaye bapfiriye mu rugo.
still would have been at home asleep
Wakabaye mu rugo ryamye bikana turi kutahari.
with no one to laugh at my sick jokes.
Ereka nawe ngutera blague nda wabyumva.
Maybe I will.
Wenda bizaca marata.
Why you were here.
Munyuma na nyuma nawe amenya ndura mukobwa azagukunda.
You wouldn't.
Unyunjirire.
It's not going to make a difference either way. You're never going to get her.
Terega no munatandukana byatanga amano utamubona uzagumuri wowe.
Ever.
Not because I didn't try.
Namubura wenda nzabana nagerageje. Do abibereye aha. Uretse ihangana.
I can't stop thinking about them.
Your brother's
gutekereza.
probably okay.
Musaza ameze neza umurashiri.
Your mom might have taken him over the hill to the mall after she dropped you off.
Erega mama yaje kudepoza no kushiwa sangari nandi yajanye na musaza wawe.
I want you to be right more than anything.
Ndashaka rwose unyumviza kurusha ibindi.
Look, we can't think about it.
Njye nta mpamvu yo kubitekereza.
So my parents, my sister,
Ejo utekereza ababyeyi banjye mushiki wanjye
your brothers,
basaza bawe
your mom, all okay.
na mama ngo bumve ko bameze neza bihangayika bebe.
I hope so.
Niko naye mbiceka.
Yeah.
Umura. Bakiraho.
Yeah.
Baretse gato. Arajye numvishira. Yabaze ibiki bijya mbere.
Someone was here.
Narenze mwana ari jari.
Probably Noodle.
Ombara amusore nudu.
I'm gonna kick your ass when I find you.
Mwana nagusha tumumetse ngubonye bro.
Let's go.
Tugendera ati. kiraho kumbe hano hari uwinjemo wanduye fata akananga baragigira Maniga yari yaje gutereta kigira n'ikigabo umuntu hano sasa bahindutse bashaka kurya abandi nimba babaye za zombie nibyo ntazi mugabo baragigira Maniga shoti ikigabo box kijyara hondagura senze sana kandi ngoto angije Turoe tayari Yesu mugabo umwuka hey ibyo bazanaga by'amapenzi ntago ibintu bworoshye Maniga arangije z'ubwenge caho uzi ubwenge acaho dore icyo bita guhahamuka
Oh my God.
wasanga rundi aceceka tugomba gusubirayo kandi ntabwo byo kubwira abantu bibaye oya
We just go see what's up there, okay?
tugende turebe ko harara bimeze arangije Maniga afata ihombo baby guma inyuma baby hey Maniga ihombo kiraho bafite ubwoba mana weje ka
What's with the weapon?
Just kill Mr. H.
Mr. H.
You just killed the janitor?
Why would you do that?
Mr. H, but he wasn't Mr. H.
He was like a monster. He attacked.
What are you guys talking about?
He attacked us. There was some.
He was crazy. Oh, he was fast. He came out of nowhere. He grabbed me.
Okay. Okay, you two need to tell the others. We'll tell the coach and figure out what to do next.
Avuye kuzana buya urute n'udukino duporezo kugera hano babura abarwayi kumba bari coach kugira gutya abandi bose bahindutse bajya kuri coach baraporeza tayari nimba bahindutse zombies ibyo naramenya ubuya urute yakubise hasi hey Baise Freakish nakubwira cyari sakala da premier umva basotse mu kigo bababuza bahumeka imyuka yari hanze sistrazi uzu ubwenge biragenda byikurura fata gashikike wino aracyafana agakobwa cyakashinga menyo usaza wakaraga kurura tayari paragashike vuba tayari chugikira komeye perez byombo nkwereka babifungira namo hey tayari ibintu
Vampires?
I don't know. The vampires, zombies, mutants, freaks. Does it matter? The coach was dead. Everyone was eating him.
They were drinking. I'm pretty sure they were drinking him.
The thing in the bookstore, it just tried to take a bite into me.
Addie would never do anything like this.
I think our definition of never has been radically changed.
Did you see Lyle?
We know he was in the shelter and no one down there was okay.
I need to see.
No, you can't.
We can help her.
Stop.
Always ourselves.
I need to get out of here.
We can't get out of here. Can't sit in here. It's not safe.
We should go out and find help. If you want to leave, so be it. I'd
rather
not be trapped in here with fools.
Don't do it, dude.
What'd you just say? I don't know a simpler way to say fool.
Sinzi jambo nakoresha ryo kumvikana ngo atugusohoka n'ubuswa.
I'm gonna kill you.
Ndakwica mwana. Hasi wagabanyije umujyi wo.
Revert to the basest of human behavior.
Mungigiri bahanga cyane mufite imico y'ubuswa n'ubusazi.
You should come with a translator.
He said you're animals.
Yavuze ko muri nyamaswa.
Fighting each other is not helping anything.
Guhangana naco biri budufashe.
Look, we know that they went out. They got sick.
Nicyo tuzi cyo basohotse bagarutse banduye.
They came back and they transformed.
Bagarutse none bahita bahinduka.
It's the air. It has to be.
Danga byakura no mwuka bahumetse no bahinduye.
So what do we do?
None dukora iki?
Are you asking him?
None uri murabaza nde?
I say we treat it like we would if it was a radiation issue.
Tugume mwana ndani ko cyangwa ari cyo cy'imirasire yizuba cyangwa se ikindi kibazo cy'imihumekere mwuka bahumetse.
Stay inside.
Tugume mwana ndani.
Tape off all the windows and doors to limit
funga amadirisha n'imiryango.
Contamination.
There could be more of them out there.
Hano hanze wasanga n'abandi banduye.
So what, we block all the entrances?
None dufunge imiryango yose yinjira cyane.
Oh, there could be more of them in here too.
Wasanga ndani nabwo turi buhinduke mu kanya.
We're gonna die here.
Possibly.
Mano turapfira hano birashoboka nyine.
But do as I'm saying to improve your chances.
Bivuze ngo tugume mwana twifungiye ne turebe buryo twakwifasha.
Okay, so now what?
None n'igikurikira.
Break into twos. Search the building, make sure everything's locked.
Dusatanemo ibice biri bamwe bagerageza kureba ko amadirisha n'imiryango ifunze.
While you sit back here.
Nana ugume hano wicaye.
I'm gonna try and ring the radio to ask for help.
Ngiye kugerageza radio ndebe ko nabona ubufasha. Sasa. Gashi ka groove.
Do you mind?
Ye wari kibazo.
Are you okay?
Umeze neza?
Of course I'm okay.
Umeze neza nyine nta kibazo.
That didn't seem okay.
Nagusanga umeze neza.
Fine, except my brother's trying to follow
me.
me.
Sibye musaza nyine mwa kujana mu madushi naho ngiye mbwihere.
Go.
Genda ari.
Go.
Sohoka. Okay. Mugenzi maniga arasohoka. Gashi kigafungura amazi. Kumbe kureba neza gashi kikaguruva kariwe. Bivuze ngo mushika guruva ukanya nawe arahinduka. Chebwe data we. Nakubwira cyari sankana bapimya umva. Ya kabiri na cyakaruka igenze ni muti kuzikurikirana cyari wese samano hasta la vista by Freakish ndabakunda cyane cyane.